Happy New Year to everyone. I am so glad to be back to doing my DIY projects. And in today's video, I am just going to show you a small living room translation that I have done to just kickstart me off the year and to start off things rolling. I hope that you'll enjoy this video, and I am hoping for a very crafty year ahead. And so just welcome to this channel if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So let's do this together, and I hope that you'll enjoy the video. These are thrift finds that I found at I think twice thrift shop. On this day, these things were going for, I think it was 15 shillings per item. So I found a few of these and I picked them. They just had small adjustments to make, like this white one was a bit torn at the top, and then this gray one was very small. It did not have enough fiber inside. This green one was dirty. So my first thing that I did after getting them home is to soak them for a while and to wash them. You can see the torn part right there, and you can see the stains right there. So yeah, the first thing I did is to soak them and to wash them for, I soaked them for about 30 minutes and washed them, and they were looking so good after I had washed them. You can see them after I have washed. So I just used a hand stitch to stitch the top, and then I also got this white material from there. It was so big. Yeah, it was like a 6 by 6 kind of blanket, and I really loved this fabric. And I also found this green one. This green one was like a huge big curtain. So and then these shears, I just had them in the house. And before I transformed the house, these are the cushions that were on the seats. I had done a previous video doing them, and you can see. So I cut the fabrics into pieces, cushion size pieces, as you can see. So I did cut them. So we have here about 10 or so cushion pieces. I sew them all together, and also I sew the curtain. So I'll just sew one of them so that you can see, and then the rest of them I'll sew off camera. And yes, guys, I really loved this combination of green and white. And since my seats are gray, I normally have the liberty to change the cushion covers all the time and give my house a new look. And so this is me just sewing this first part. I'm not going to use any zipper. I'm going to sew the cushions without a zipper, and I hope that you will learn a thing or two.
this is what I have, and I repeated the same with the rest of the cushions. And this is my house, how it looks before. The cushion covers I had removed to wash, and then yeah, it was a bit untidy because of daily things. So those are the things that I had washed. They are ready to be arranged, and those are my seats and everything in the house, how it was looking like before I removed everything. So the first thing that I am going to do is to tidy up everything and to just make sure that the house is clean and tidy, and then I'll go ahead and replace the cushion covers and a few things here and there. Some of the stuffing inside these cushions was very little, so I opened them up, put more stuffing, and repeated the process with a few others and sewn them up before I inserted the new covers that I had already made now.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Button cushions, I had already sewn them. I'll show you the video at the end of this video. And now I'm just going to arrange the cushions. So the extra cushions, I use them mostly when I have visitors. That's why I just arrange them in one corner, and they'll sit there pretty, waiting for people to be in the house, and then they'll be used.
The day I die.
this is how my house now looks like. The button pillow is linked at the end of the video, how I made it. And yeah, so I plan to change the face of this sitting room, and please come around with me throughout the year. As the year goes by, I'll be changing little by little, and this little flower here is doing the living room some justice, and I absolutely love how it looks like here as compared to its previous location. So guys, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. If you are a returning subscriber, and if you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel. I am sure that you will enjoy these DIY things that I do. And yeah, just to encourage me, please leave a comment at the end of the video. If you like or if you have liked something, just leave a comment. I am also able to make this for people for sale. Just drop a comment below if you will want any of these pillows made for you, whether they are thrifted or they are new. I am up for the task, and I'll be so glad to help or to make them for you. So among the things I want to change is this area right here. Yeah, I don't like how it looks like. Yeah, this whole section. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video to the end. I really appreciate you. God bless you so much, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it, and God bless you so much for supporting me. Bye.